A 16-inch blue Galaxy. I have been wanting one of these for quite a while actually, and I got this one from the fanmowerman. It did not have a blade when I got it, but I managed to find one from someone on Facebook, and the only other piece I'm missing, well, there's actually several pieces missing. This whole back cover is busted, and that's the wrong thing, and that's missing. And I'm also missing a spinner nut, but, I mean, I'm not complaining. Be one of those fans that put together piece by piece, I guess. But I'm going to run it for a minute or two. Hopefully nothing bad happens. Here's high. These things are freaking powerful. And this one's pretty quiet. Medium. Can't even hear it really. And see if the oscillator works. I think it does. Alright, yeah, it oscillates. Not too bad. High. And OFF spelled off. It's got a long coast down. This thing takes quite a while, I will say. And there you go. There's the 16-inch blue Galaxy. Been wanting a blue one. There's the back. Like I said, back cover is all messed up. That piece is missing. But I mean, the majority of it's there, so I mean, I'm not complaining. I mean, I've made good fans out of worse, so, you know. This will just be another project, fan. So I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.